We'll guide you through how to make a lead in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Leads are super useful as they allow to move animals. As you can see, you can right click with a lead and you can then go and move it, and also go and tie it to fence posts, which are super useful as well. So to go and do this, what you need is one slime ball, which you can get from slimes, and you're also going to need 4 pieces of string. You can get that from spiders, as well as finding them in chests and things like that. So go and place the slime ball in the middle of a crafting table. In the top left, you need to place 3 pieces of string in the corner, like I've done there, and in the bottom right corner, place a piece of string. And that'll go and make you 2 leads, as you can see, and you can then go and use them. If you found this useful and you want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got a ton more Minecraft guides on the channel and also a lot more to come. So make sure you subscribe to be kept up to date as we're bringing out a lot of content. Have an awesome day.